Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a fascinating problem related to Rust's raw pointers. So, here's the deal. Our problem revolves around a code snippet that seems like it should fail, but surprisingly, it actually runs without a hitch. Quite the head-scratcher, right? In the solution to this intriguing problem, we uncovered that even though initializing a fat pointer, address size, from a simple pointer, address only, might seem unusual, the missing size information, crucial for the fat pointer, is actually known by the compiler. When we initialize the fat pointer using the simple pointer, the compiler seamlessly provides the size information required, enabling full functionality. This process showcases the compiler's ability to handle the necessary details behind the scenes, making the seemingly unconventional assignment work like a charm. In summary, we delved into a captivating problem surrounding Rust's raw pointers, unveiling an unexpected solution where the compiler's insights play a pivotal role. It's truly fascinating how the compiler bridges the gap between different pointer types, ensuring smooth operation despite initial doubts. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy coding.